Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Memiecarvel and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit is brought to you by OUTRE. So I'd like to say thank you guys for sending over this unit. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? I do hair, beauty, fashion, mostly hair. While you're at it, go ahead and click the subscribe button and notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. So today I'm reviewing OUTRE's Perfect Hairline 13x6 Fabienne, and I have her in the color DR4 Sandy Blonde. Now this unit is so freaking pretty, and I know I always say that in every video, but this unit here is so pretty. The curl pattern, the wave is so gorgeous, and especially the colors. The unit is super soft to the touch. The curls are a 18-inch by length, so they do give you a decent size, and I love that so much. It's versatile. You can part it in the middle, you can part it on the sides, and you can put it up in the updo. This unit do have two combs in the front, one in the back, with an adjustable strap and an elastic band to fit to your liking, which I do like because I do have a boy cut, so it's perfect for me to have an elastic band. This unit is big head friendly. It has enough space for a bigger size head, which is a good thing. The pros on this unit, the curls, it's super soft. I really didn't have to put too much products on it to tame it down. Some of the cons, I'll say that it nips just a little bit, but nothing like serious. And for me, per usual, is to be expected. I didn't really get any shedding, which is a good thing. But after that, that's pretty much it for the cons. The length again, I did say was 18-inch. I love the density. The density is really good on this unit. It is a nice, you know, like amount of volume towards this unit. The texture is giving me like a light yaki on the silky side, but it's not too silky. From a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this unit, I do give it a 9. Matter of fact, a 9.5, because she is pretty, and I'm thinking about copping this unit again in this same color because she is so gorgeous and I could not resist. I didn't expect it to be this good, and I'm happy that OUTRE was kind enough to send over this unit. But other than that, that is about it for this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share, and click that notification bell while you guys are at it. And don't forget to follow all of my socials down below. And also to add, towards the end, you guys will see me talking throughout the clip. I was actually on TikTok live. I've been doing that here and there so often. So if you see me talking, I'm on Instagram live, so don't mind me. And I was sweating a storm, child, because them lights was super hot. But but thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next run.